Hi everyone. My horn stopped working a couple days ago, so I got the new one with this. So I'm just gonna replace it for my GS Adventure. I never did that before. I just removed this and I got this one. We'll see how it's gonna work, and I hope I can make that happen. Well, okay, this is the old one. This is the old horn. This is not the factory one. I just replaced it earlier with the better sound, because original ones, you know, they are really weak. And this is kind of a strong one. It's supposed to be really loud, like a car horn, and it's almost the same. It just have a different bracket, but I have to find a way to install it. And this is a little harness cable and a manual, which I don't read. Okay, let's go. Okay, the installation is supposed to be really quick. It's such a simple job actually. All I have to do, I have to connect those two wires over here, those connectors, and then and just screw back this horn over here in this hole right here, and yeah, that's it. Okay, those two connection goes here. Okay, installation is done right now, and let's check out if it's gonna work.